If you have a flash drive, an USB flash drive, and you want to connect it to your Samsung Galaxy S25, then if the flash drive is USB type A, then in that case you need to use an adapter that, for example, looks like this. This is a pretty simple adapter that converts USB type A into USB type C that we can insert into the phone. So connect the flash drive, and then with the adapter, or the adapter with the flash drive, put it into the USB-C port at the bottom. And there we go. Now over here you can see that we have USB storage added. We can tap on it in order to immediately jump to the storage and open it. You can also find it by going to My Files app. And then over here in storage you should be able to find your USB storage if that is your flash drive. And that is it. Remember that in order to safely unmount the flash drive, you need to go to notifications and tap on this arrow on the right side and then select unmount. Or you can do this also in the My Files app. To do so, we need to go to the USB storage, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and select unmount. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!